TikTok shop haul. I was just buying like random stuff, but I need this. First of all, let's start here. My package, the lady that delivered my package, she called me. She was like, I'm gonna have to take your package back so they can repackage it. I was like, whoa, don't take it back. Where you need me to be? I will meet you. And okay, so we met each other. And then, so she gave me the package. She was like, it was ripped. So it is ripped. It came in a Food Town bag. And I'm gonna insert the clip too. Cause people gonna think I'm lying. Like this, like you wouldn't believe me unless I showed you type. So
I call my manager, he's like, just take it back and they're gonna have to repackage and send you a message or something.
oh, this is perfectly fine. This just broke.
Yeah,
it's delivered though.
Oh, but look at everything. I don't know what's going on.
Yes, ma'am. Everything is in here. Thank you so much. I hope you have a great day. It's been delivered. Yes, ma'am. There you go. Anyway, Food Town bag, like I said. And I bought some furry boots. Y'all gonna see it on TikTok. It won't be in the video because my package delayed. They better make sure it come down by November 13th. Is Alexa, what's today?
Today is Wednesday, November 6th.
Okay, it's November 6th, so hopefully it's here. Okay, the first thing I got is these. I don't know. I just wanted slides, but they're kind of gigantic. Hold on. The socks are not really that white, so just don't mind it. They are pretty darn cool. Look at how I look. Alrighty, next item. And then we got, I'm gonna do this first, because I'm gonna try it on. Don't worry about that. A microphone. In need of a microphone. Like, how did you know I needed one? I'm just playing. I'm out of breath. Hold on, calm down. Whew. I'm glad it came with a charger. Oh, and it's pink. And it's pink. And it's pink. It come like this. You gotta put the thing on. Bear with me. Wait, do I take this shit off first? I knew that. Okay, I plugged it up and the camera cut off, so anyway, it's gonna just sit pretty right there, you know, so you can hear me clear. Okay, so, and this is just the packaging. I'm gonna just put it back. Oh, and then I got some belly piercings. They're all pink, which is amazing. I'm gonna show you. A heart. Another heart, but different. Then it's my old belly piercing. Regular, ew. And this is a circle. It's just a circle. It's a bow. It's like a dangle one like this one. Yeah. Okay, anyway, next. Then, now let's get to the nitty gritty, babe. These. I'm about to do a try on haul. Y'all about to see. These are tights. It's getting cold outside. I might have to but nah. First, which one y'all want me to try? Which one y'all think I'm gonna put on first? Which color do you think I would choose first? Brown, red, burgundy, or gray? I mean, I'm trying on all of them, but what is first? This one. Y'all know that. Alright, chat. This is where these come in. This is also something I got from TikTok shop. You gotta. socks is not so white. I'm pissed. This is like when it's cold outside. You feel me? Oh shit. Why did I do that? I don't know. I don't know. Is it a difference? It's just cuter. Okay. Let me put this one on so you can see a full. You feel me? Okay. This is cute. I just went ahead and took the socks off. I think it looks better. I ain't fix her. Don't even want to put on the gray. Do y'all want to see? And gray. I need every color. Honestly. Of these two, just give me every color. But anyway, that's really everything I got. Because my furry boots coming later. Why? Them the only thing I really wanted. That's the first thing I bought was the furry boots. They're not here. These just But the first thing I bought was the furry boots, and they're not here. So they will be coming soon. But y'all, I'm about to go get my day started. I might add that in the vlog too. Hold up, let me take these off because I'm getting hot as hell. It's hot. Put my shorts back on. It ain't getting cold just yet. I'm just trying to prepare a little. My face might be shiny and all that because I just get out the shower. Keep it cute. But yeah, chat, this is the end of my TikTok shop haul. I need to do other hauls, other places, and that will be coming soon. But I'm about to I already got my day started by taking a shower and all that, brush my teeth, but I'm about to like get on TikTok. Irritate them for a little bit, have them irritate me. But anyway. Oh, 1 second. Stop. Had to change the lighting so you can, Can y'all please subscribe, like, comment? Like, I'll be wanting to hear what y'all be having to say. But some people do talk to me, and I appreciate y'all. Love y'all. And yeah, that's it. Comment, like, and share. Bye.
I hope y'all hoes don't get the big kid, cause he know he